Want to give your website a fresh new look? Changing your header color in WordPress is super easy, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look at the sidebar and click on Appearance, then select Customize. This will open the WordPress Customizer where you can tweak almost every visual aspect of your site. Next, you need to locate the section related to your header. Depending on your theme, this could be labeled as Header, Header Builder, or sometimes Site Identity. Don't worry if the names are slightly different. Most modern themes keep these options easy to find. Once you're in the header settings, look for the color options. You should see something like background or header background color. Click on the color selector and choose the color that fits your brand or style. You can pick any color and even experiment with different shades until it feels right. After selecting your new header color, don't forget to click publish to save your changes. And just like that, your website has a refreshed look with a brand new header color. It's that simple. Customizing your site's appearance doesn't have to be complicated, and a small change like this can make a big impact. So go ahead, try it out, and see how your website comes alive with just a few clicks.